Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and use Binance virtual card. But before that, please to make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your particular Binance app, or you can access it on your browser as well. Once you have done so, all you have to do is go to the settings of your account, and here in this section you will be able to access the menu option on the right side of your screen, which includes this security option below the dashboard. Once you have tapped on that particular option, it will give you the other option where it lets you verify yourself for the sake of you getting the virtual card. Simply go ahead, tap on the phone number verification. Now simply follow the prompts as Binance shows you, and you will be done. Then right after you have done that, you can go hover over to this finance option right there in your Binance, where in the section you will be able to get this option where in the top it includes a Binance Visa card. Simply tap on that particular option. Now it will simply lead you to where you can actually confirm your card while after completing this fourth step as it has mentioned on top. Simply go ahead, do as it asks you, once confirm and tap on next and get it done with it. Then over here you have your card. Over here you can see the active green dot on top as well, and below the section you can see the features of it. All you have to do is now copy the number right there on the option and paste the number whenever you have to use Visa or debit card in any of the websites and pay for it. You can also choose to go to payment priority, and you can choose, of course you have to pay with the Bitcoin, but there are other methods as well. You can also choose within them and you will be done. You can say please select a minimum of 6 and up to 12 currencies for card payment. You have choices, y'all. Make it accordingly and you're done. So that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.